Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a western Kentucky cornfield where a pair of John Deere 9600i self-propelled forage harvesters are chopping the crop to create silage to feed dairy cows. The first 9600i has just opened up the field so the two machines can start working side by side to harvest the crop. During this video, I would like to share with you the forage harvester's specifications and original price tag, as well as climbing up in the cab to visit with the farmer and talk about operating this big machinery. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear all this forage harvesting action. These big self-propelled forage harvesters are moving tons of corn silage, filling these forage boxes every few minutes. The farm utilizes a total of 12 H&S Forage Boxes to move the corn silage from the field to the farm for storage. There are 7 plus 4 HD wagon-style forage boxes and twin auger trailer forage boxes at work out in the field, pulled by a variety of John Deere tractors that include 6 175R models with loaders on them, 6 195R tractors, 8 245R tractors, and an 8 295R tractor. The John Deere 9600i Self Propelled Forage Harvester was introduced for model year 2019 and remains a current production model in 2021. It is manufactured in Zweibrücken, Germany, and it is powered by a John Deere PowerTech PSX 13.5 liter 823 cubic inch engine rated at 616 horsepower. It takes a tremendous amount of horsepower to process forage crops, especially in corn when you have plants that are standing 12 to 14 feet tall or taller, and also processing those ears of corn and blowing them over into a forage wagon or truck. This machine is fitted with a 290-gallon diesel fuel tank and an 11.4-gallon diesel emission fluid tank for clean engine solutions. According to JohnDeere.com, the list price for a 9600 self-propelled forage harvester is $544,776. The I in the model number indicates that it's equipped with a Harvest Lab 3000. I stands for intelligence, which monitors the moisture and crop content. That feature is an $18,250 option. This machine is equipped with an 8-row 778 Kemper head. Those buzz saws in front are cutting down 19 feet 7 inches, and that attachment has a list price, according to JohnDeere.com, of $129,502. A self-propelled forage harvester carries a pretty hefty price tag, but when a farming operation is working on putting up a year's worth of silage to feed its entire herd, it's an investment well worth making.
Let's take a look at this 9600i from the farmer's perspective. There's a nice easy access ladder right here. You have your DEF and fuel tanks. We can see the operator's cab here, as well as the platform up here where the engine is, and the Harvest Lab 3000 that monitors all the crop flow. Hi, Chris. Here we can see the Kemper head in Harvest 8 rows. It's on model 778. You'll be able to see those big buzz saws slice right through the crop. And they start filling up the H&S wagon. The chopper is using auto steer. It's guiding itself across the field, chopping these 8 rows at a time. This helps the farmer to be able to watch a lot what's going on with the wagon, as well as the rest of the harvester. Chris, I imagine this is a pretty tedious job, keeping an eye on everything and filling it all just right. Here as we come up to the headland, see those buzz saws break out here. And we'll loop around to the next pass. You can see the tandem axles on the H&S make for a really nice tight turn. We'll head right into the next row. Harvest Lab 3000. This box covers up a monitor the cab has good view and visibility as it's rolling through the corn. It has a side mirror so you can see what's happening behind you, which is helpful when the wagon's in tow. Again, the farmer has good visibility right down into that 778 Kemper head.
I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field hearing and seeing these John Deere 9600i self-propelled forage harvesters chopping corn. I'd like to hear if you chop corn for silage on your farming operation. Tell me about the forage harvester and the equipment that you're using to haul the silage away in the comment section below this video. If you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see more forage harvesting content from this channel, continue to watch till the end screen, where there are direct links to 2 more forage harvesting videos. As always, thank you for watching.